On today's video, we're going to change out a power balancing cartridge and a valve that's leaking. See how it's leaking there? We're going to go ahead and change out the balancing cartridge and bond it on this. My buddy Charles from DFW Plumbing is going to show us how to do it.
A lot of times these handles are so calcified that you got to use a puller to pull them off, which I'm about to show you how that works. Alrighty, so this is how the puller works. They're designed for single handle faucets. You stick it in there, you make sure it's tight. You screw this insert into the screw hole after taking out the screw. And once you got this in the screw hole, bar up to make sure these don't move. And then you pull the handles right off. Then once you break it loose, you loosen them back up. The handle should come right off. Boom.
Good. Now remove the Phillips screws holding the trim plate. Now Chuck is going to show us how to remove and replace the cartridge and
two-piece valves on a single handle control handle. You take this packing nut off. Alright. You pull this stem out. See, a lot of times they break while pulling the handle off. So all this is junk. You set all this over here. You grab your extraction tool, which is right here. Yeah. And then you hook it in, just like that. And pull it out. You have to double check on these existing ones because you see these little O-rings right here? These O-rings will stick inside of these valves. And then you'll never be able to get to flush this one to flush up. And then what you do, you line this one up to where the existing was. Hear that snap? That's how you know it's in. And you take this one, line that one up, push it in, hold pressure, put the packing out in while you're retaining pressure. Just like that. Once you got it hand tight, take it, tighten it down. You want to get them tight, but you don't want to get them super tight because it's brass on brass. If you most brass on brass, you can strip the threads. Take it, well, just like that. Real simple, easy to put the trim back on. Get one hand started. Line the other one up.
Hold on, time out.
Then you always check after you install your handle. Make sure cold's on cold, hot's on hot. Just like that.
There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.